Okay, so we have a bird outside. I've just given him some bread. He's so big and so amazing, so prehistoric. And I'm not sure what kind of bird this is. If it's a heron, I'm not sure. But is this Titi from beyond the grave that came to visit me? This is my doorway, and I'm behind the glass, so no worries. And here he is, majestic, prehistoric, amazing. I don't know what kind of bird this is, but I've just fed him some pita bread. That's all I had. And he's been here probably for the last 20 minutes, just watching me. So I threw some bread out. Could this really be Titi? Just saying that he's free? Look at this majestic thing, just like Titi was. Beautiful long legs, like knowing. Is this a crane? Look at that beak. It must be an old guy. Must be Titi's guardian. What's up with me? Thinking of my cat and this bird. Well, just check him out. He's amazing. Very graceful. Probably very deadly. But look at that. Just beautiful. And this is what's outside my door in the morning. See him panning through, looking through the window pane, safely through the window pane. So, that's it. The grace and beauty of a beautiful wild bird in my backyard, right outside my window. It's June 10th. It's a Tuesday. What's in your backyard?